number 61, Bahaw National High School, Santa Cruz, Bahaw, Lamarisur, Bar Commander and Staff, and the Lieutenant Colonel, Sergeant Pituran, Bar Commander, and the Lieutenant, Lieutenant Guerra, S1, and the Lieutenant Colonel, Rosel Baccara, S2, and the Lieutenant Colonel, Robel Silpas, S3, Lieutenant Colonel, Rosalyn Gonzalez, S4, Lieutenant Colonel, Reyna, Anisette Trabante, S5, Major Leader, Unit Sergeant, Rose Chan Bipaksaki, ABCD Leader, Unit Sergeant, Ron Alexis Pitural, Company Commander, Unit Captain, Aljon P. Bayrante, Company XO, Cadet First Lieutenant Rose Philip Malapo, First Platoon Leader, Cadet Second Lieutenant John Michael M. Belicia, Second Platoon Leader, Cadet Second Lieutenant Aileen B. Belisenio, School Head Salvacion B. Aziz, CAT Facilitator, Mr. Roosevelt R. Sereta, Assistant Facilitator, Mr. Charan S. Casimero, DBC DLC Trainers, Mr. Levi Chi Paisa, Major Trainers, Mrs. Helen B. Flores, Ms. Merel Gascon, Ms. V. Piñones, Mr. Randy B. Sanfrego. Entry number 61, Bahaw National High School, Santa Cruz, Bahaw, Camarines Sur.
Loob. Ayan, dari. Bakit po video rin? Coordinator.
Thank you. MG number 61, Bahaw National High School.